Let's go. Not bad first card.
That's a lot of pad.
56 packs left. As long as I'm getting at least like 2 rares a pack, it's fine. Ish. Yeah, as long as every pack's...
Yeah, that's the card.
Yeah. It's so such a good card. Nice. Nice. Yeah, Shadow Epics, I think, and above. They're decent.
So one fucking pack and get Shadow.
Yeah. So annoying.
Is that good? Stays more.
Stares aggressively. Sneaky pack. Oh my god, I just realised I've got 50 more packs to open. I see what you mean now, Ben, when you're like, yeah, it gets a bit tedious. What a terrible pack.
Kinda wish you didn't have to bother.
Yeah, you could just...
You don't need that animation after every time, do you?
I just want to show the page button rather it just like goes through them opening up one by one.
Yeah. I would at least like a gold curve.
Does the pack opening detail.
Yeah, they're like a walkout and stuff's quite cool on a FIFA.
Hey, ask your dad a question for me.
What's that?
Ask him how many United are losing by.
I haven't heard any. I haven't heard any big shouts, so I'm assuming they're a. No.
I'll let you do about 6 quid in per market.
Nice.
You show me cards I bought earlier, Rob.
No, I haven't seen anything about
Screenshot the card shop.
when
I've got 183 out of 194 holders.
oh, no way. Wow.
Missing 11 legends.
I wish when you press next pack it would just open the next pack. Nice.
Nice one, that.
Yeah, as long as I get some more epics. Oh, that's a nice pack. Necroceptor. Could I hold the joke there?
I'll be honest, I'm better off just buying them
Yeah, probably.
and then just.
But where's the fucking map? Some more rares, come on. So far it's... I mean, I've got a legendary to be fair, I'm up rate on legendary, I know.
Opening packs is quite an order, but I'm right behind you, Rob. Buying these cards is probably cheaper than getting packs.
Yeah. I mean, none of the base cards, unless it's like a demi-gold, are like ridiculously expensive, are they? So.
Not yet.
Did you see some of the scores yesterday, Rob? I did end up losing.
Yeah.
Sheriff, 2-1.
Correct.
Just country sheriff.
Moldova. But they're actually, I didn't look into it enough. Talk is that it's disputed, what do they call it up there? Basically, wherever they call that a land, disputed, so they are no kind of argument.
Come on, a better pack than these lot. These are...
Actually, I can't gauge that man yet. You're training top.
Leipzig lost 2-1 to February, so we're at home as well.
As long as they just feed me some shadows, that's a decent pack.
Oh, this shit, yeah, an absolute.
You did today.
Nice pack. Shame there are any common shadows.
So, Tiraspol is a city located in an unrecognized breakaway state of Austria.
Oof.
How you do it?
Oh, come on, game. Please.
So, Transnistria, Moldovan Republic.
Sounds quite interesting.
An unrecognized breakaway state in the narrow strip of land. And the Moldovan Ukrainian border.
29 packs left. Come on, please something at least half decent.
Seems like quite massive place, to be honest. One part Russians, one part Moldovans, and one part Ukrainians.
Sounds really friendly there.
So, 100% Russian. Soon, .ts.
Pretty much, yeah.
Random
Yeah,
creature.
by jumping ships to
pretty-
Ukraine from Moldova, maybe they're just trying to speed up the process.
Russian military won't be going in there soon.
Nice, another epic.
I mean, should have had one legend so far, though.
Yeah, one legend and one shadow rare, and then a couple of other shadow. Just like a gold, you know. Like, at least
You see the
it was,
packs Sonny opened earlier on.
it was ridiculous.
One fucking pack, it's all the
It's all condensed down into one pack, wasn't it? Oh, come on. Please, game. 23 left or something. But is this going to be a stinky use of 100 quid? Oh, come on. At least it's an epic.
Tenderize me, daddy.
Adam, have yours come through yet?
Yeah.
Nice. Come on. Diamond Legendary. It's not too much to ask for. Like. It's a shadow, but it's not quite what I wanted.
You literally replied really panicked like I normally reply then.
I've got a decent few shadows this time, but no, like...
What's his name?
Another rare shadow, alright.
If you're complaining you're not getting good cards, you
Oh yeah,
should stop fucking whinging about it.
yeah, they're quite cheap. I don't even think I could have bought one.
Get it for 100 quid.
Aren't they $130?
When he was on offer, 200 quid, right?
They're $24.
Well,
Yeah, 150 now, the exact same price of the chest.
Oh my god, 15 packs left.
No, without discounted, its standard price is the same as the
when it, yeah, so the chest are like $150 and they which is 20 odd quid.
I haven't even got that many epics, so that's the sad thing. Like, maybe I should have bought 25
You
epic
should stop
packs.
fucking whinging. You got some really good cards, man.
True.
Nah, genuine, like, you got some tasty cards.
Yeah, at least I've got 460 now, so. Bloody bears. Nothing but bears.
Do you just leave the mic on when he starts shouting that? That's so one of the only reasons why I that is that.
Well, you know.
Oh.
Another legendary?
Oof.
Well, nice card, but
Yeah.
good one.
Ominous Burrow. I can't remember where I've got an inconspicuous bush yet. As long as the two rares in the pack are not too bad. Useful. Nice.
Anyone know if the mythic's been drawn yet?
No,
Oh,
I'm
don't they?
I'm
I mean, people have been getting the rats, but I think there's more than 6 rats have been
No,
found.
that was
Right.
I want a rat.
How can they break like
It's because they drop after the mythic, so the code is in such a place where the mythic was obviously turned off for whatever reason.
and they just
But so that the code obviously went well.
That's fine.
They also it didn't matter.
Yeah, good card. Four left. Hey!
That's gonna be fucking tasty. Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I at least got 1 gold. That's good. Gold rare as well. One day I'll hear the sound of a diamond, and that'll be. Well, Rob got a diamond. Did he?
Nah.
Nice. Last one.
Is it worth anything yet? That bronze gate.
No.
Right, 5 diamond legendaries.
Some guy put the same 2 diamond ledge packs.
Oh, nice last pack there. Not bad.
Facial flourish.
Have a look. Where is it?